What's up guys, it's me, Bradley from Bradley's Adventures, and today we're going to be opening seeds. Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so here are the seeds and we'll just pull them out one by one. So right here we have jalapeno peppers. Make sure you guys can see those. Then we'll go ahead and right here, red burgundy onions. I'm excited to grow these. And then we'll have scarlet kale, which I'm excited to try and eat. And then sorghum. And I've heard you can pop sorghum just like popcorn. So I'm excited to try growing that and see how it turns out. And I'll be doing more videos on how to grow all of these. And right here we have Texas Early Grano, I believe that's it, 502 onions. So those are going to be even funner to grow, and I'll just pull out more. We got purple carrots, and actually the original color of carrots were actually purple. Then we have some sugar pie pumpkins. Then some purple beauty sweet peppers, which are going to be very pretty in the garden. Congo watermelons, which I'm excited to grow those. I got 2 packets of the purple sweet. Then San Marzo tomatoes, which are a paste tomato, kind of like your Roma tomatoes and stuff like that. Velvet Queen sunflowers, which I got these for my mother. Lemon Queen sunflowers for my mother as well. And we'll just keep on going down the list. I still got more I'm going. Okay, I'm pulling out a whole bunch more. We have Black Beauty eggplant. We have White Bachelor's button flowers. We have some Johnny Jump Up Viola, Common English Lavender, Sheboygan Tomato, that's really fun to say. We have some Puna Shira cucumbers, which I'm excited to grow those. Some mixed colored beans. Another packet of mixed colored beans. We have some Market More 76 cucumbers. Double red sweet corn, which I'm excited to grow those. White Linen California poppies. Another packet of the red sweet corn. Oh, okay, I got little cards. If you guys want to know where I'm getting these, get them from Migradener. They're 99 cents a seed packet. We have some Tommy Toe tomatoes, which could produce up to thousands of tomatoes per plant. Some French breakfast radish. We have a State Fair pumpkin, which I'm very excited to grow, because these can get up to 1,200 pounds. So they're going to be giant. We have some white cherry tomatoes. We have some Brandywine black tomatoes. I grew the red Brandywines and I actually saved my own seeds from those. If you guys want to go back and watch the video that I saved the seeds in those. I have the Atlantic giant pumpkin, which can get up to 1,000 pounds easily, so I'm excited for those. More red burgundy beans. You know what? I think I didn't say red burgundy beans. We have red burgundy beans, and is there anything else in the packet? No, there's not, but I did get different cards, which I'm excited to read what's on them. They have their YouTube at Migradener. If you guys want to go check him out, I enjoy watching a lot of his videos. It's very educational It's very fun. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and comment. And bye.